Sandstone Trails is a family-friendly subdivision and offers a wide variety of affordably priced single and two-story villa-style homes. Sandstone Villas, with designs from 922 square feet, represents a brand new series of homes from D.R. Horton. In a neighborhood conveniently located near schools, shopping, parks, and golf courses, these D.R. Horton homes include Energy Star construction features for a quiet, comfortable home that will save you monthly on your utility bills. Affordability is key. The price point for the villas is typically where you would find an attached home, but with these villas, the only area that is attached is right at the garage. Otherwise, they are separately built, and from any viewpoint, they have the appearance of a traditional single-family home. Two popular floor plans are the Foxmoor and Covington. The two-story Foxmoor home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 1-car garage. The secondary bedroom has a private full bath. The island kitchen includes a dining nook, and you'll find there is lots of countertop and cabinet space. Backyard rear and side block walls with gate and return are included with this home, and low-maintenance front yard landscaping is also included. The 2-story Covington home is designed with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 1-car garage. The open and spacious floor plan is designed with 9-foot ceiling heights downstairs. The spacious master bedroom and bath include a generous walk-in closet. Now is a wonderful time to buy a home, period. And now is an excellent time to buy a new home in Sandstone Trails. It's your best value for a new home in the area. For a new, energy-efficient, quality-built home designed with your family in mind, visit Sandstone Trails. Come out and see the villa-style homes today.